Hi everyone, I'm Lynn with Lash, and today I wanted to talk to you guys about how long to expect your eyelash extensions to last for. Now, extensions typically last for about between 2 to 4 weeks before you need a fill. Now, we do lose our natural lashes every day. We lose about 3 natural lashes a day, so that's why when you come for your fill, those lashes that grow out are the ones that we use to fill in. Now, one way to ensure that your extensions can last for a long time is to make sure that you are taking care of them properly. So one way to do that is to make sure that you don't get them wet for the first 24 hours. And after the 24 hours, you do want to make sure you are cleaning the lashes every day with a lash shampoo or any soap that is oil-free and won't harm your extension. Now, it's important to do that because you want to remove any of the oils and dirt, any makeup that you have on that won't go into the glue and make them fall off sooner. And you also want to make sure that your cleanser and your moisturizer is oil free, and if it does have oil in your products, just make sure you just are rubbing the product around the extensions and not near them. And another way to prevent your extensions from falling off is by not rubbing them, because if you have any oils and dirt that are on your hands, it can go onto the glue and it'll loosen the glue from your natural lash and it'll fall out prematurely as well. So if you do take care of your extensions properly, they can last you for a long period of time until they are ready to shed on their own. So just remember to keep them clean after the 24 hours and try to avoid touching them all the time. So the best time to really make sure to clean them is usually in the morning after you wake up, because you do want to remove any sleep that you have in your eyes, like any of the crustiness and any of the oils that might have gone onto the extensions while you were sleeping. So the best time to really clean them is in the morning after you wake up. So I hope you guys liked that video. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.